Hey Ielts warriors, struggling to finish the Ielts reading module on time? If so, then you are at the right place. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamualaikum guys. Welcome to Ielts Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. What if I told you there is a secret weapon which top scorers use to solve the 40 questions in just 40 minutes? Seems interesting. So the spoiler is that it's not a magic, it's just a technique which I'm going to share with you guys, and with the help of which you guys can solve 40 questions in just 40 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, touch the bell icon, and here we go. So first thing first, you guys need to know what actually skimming means. It's basically a speed reading technique which allows you to grab the main idea, not the details. I repeat, grab the main ideas, not the details. Think of it as a GPS for your answers, okay? But most students do it wrong. So let's fix this. So the first step is that scan the headlines and subtitles. The title alone tells you the theme, like climate change or renewable energy. Next, read first and last sentence of each paragraph, because these often holds the golden nuggets. For example, in a passage about the electric cars, the first line might say, a Tesla owner faced a shopping fine in Singapore, instant context. Okay? Step 2 is spot keywords. Let's say the question asks, why was the Tesla fined? In this, your keywords will be Tesla, fine, Singapore. Now, skim for these. Boom, you will find carbon cost calculations in seconds. So you don't need to read every word. It's very important you don't need to read every word, because IELTS is a strategy test, not a knowledge test. Step 3 is avoid over skimming. Don't do over skimming. If you see name, dates or numbers, pause, okay? These are answers hotspots. For instance, a question about health trends in the 19th century needs you to slow down at the dates 1850. Now let's practice to a real passage, okay? So here is a passage about green energy policies, and the question is, what challenge do renewable energy projects face? So you need to skim the first lines. For example, funding shortages versus public resistance, and you need to do the scanning. Just I have told you what you need to do in the first 3 steps, and boom, here your answer. But stop. You need to do one important thing, and what is that? You need to avoid these mistakes, okay? These are the biggest skimming mistakes which most of the students do. Ignoring headlines, they are cheat code for structures. Second is getting stuck on tough words. Skip and circle back later. Third is forgetting the practice. For this purpose, you can use the newspapers and IELTS materials. So what are you waiting for? Grab your pen, paper and do the practice, man. So, are you ready to dominate the IELTS reading now? So, from where you can practice, I have made a very good series of IELTS reading tests in my playlist dedicated for the IELTS reading mock test. So go out there, watch the video, grab your pen, paper and start to solve these very latest IELTS reading mock tests which I have uploaded for you guys on my channel. So give me a huge round of applause for that. So smash the subscribe button if this video helps you a bit. Touch the bell icon if you want more band 9 strategies. Wait. Just remember one thing. Skimming is not lazy. It's smart. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Love is. Bye-bye.